How to send SD photos in Messenger. So guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily send SD photos on Messenger. So let's get started. First thing, just head over to your Messenger application and choose any of the chat to whom you want to send an SD photo. So now simply select this gallery option at the bottom of your screen, bottom left of your screen, and as you can see, when you toggle on your gallery option, you can see there is SD button which is enabled currently. So I can just simply disable it by simply selecting it. So just make sure you have selected it, which will be turned on to blue color. That means you have enabled SD option. So once you enable it, just send the photos which you want to send them. So let's say I want to send this photo for this person. So once you select a particular photo, simply click on send, and just like that, you have successfully sent the photo on SD quality on Messenger. So that is it for today guys. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.